Ready to take your Toyota to the next level off the beaten path? Let's talk about the Toyota genuine off-roading accessories that make every adventure a breeze. First up, the Adventure Tire and Wheel Combo. These are designed to provide superior traction and durability, ensuring you get through rough terrain with ease while adding an aggressive look to your ride. Protect your interior with Toyota's all-weather floor liners. Keep your cabin clean from mud, water, and debris, no matter how messy the trails get. Stuck in the mud? The ARB Tread Pro Red Recovery Boards are here to save the day. Lightweight, durable, and built to help you get back on track without the need for extra help. All in gear, the hard Tri-Fold Tonneau cover is perfect for securing your load. It's tough, weather-resistant, and locks to keep your gear safe from the elements. Want better clearance for more rugged trails? The TRD suspension lift kit gives your Toyota the added height and stability for serious off-roading, without sacrificing comfort on the road. And don't forget the TRD Front Skid Plate, providing extra protection for your undercarriage from rocks and rough terrain, so you can drive with confidence wherever your adventures take you. These Toyota genuine accessories are engineered to elevate your off-roading experience, ready to explore. Let's get started.